Okay, in this video, we're going to see a particular use case where I have the DreamHouse project. I've cloned it and I have two internal branches, local branches, future one and main. What I've done is I made some changes into the permission set. If you look at it, this page, the result, I made it true here. It is true here. But when I move to check out feature one, I should see that's being false here. So the use case for this video is how can I get a visual representation of the permission set, in our case dreamhouse dot permission set, and how can I represent in a diff application, diff editor. I want to see the difference in two branches. So you have a particular permission set in two branches, and you've been asked to find out what is the difference between them. That particular permission set, in our case, Dream House. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Python um, tool. Let me find out. It's in here. I will. So basically, this is a command. So don't worry about the messy screen. I will clean it up. Okay. So you have two branches. It branch all, so these two branches, and as I explained, one of them has got false, which is a feature branch has got false. If I hit checkout, mean it has got true. Okay, so I like to see a visual representation of this Dreamhouse permission set, as well as how can I load into the diff app, file diff app, and I don't have to do much work. It should help me to load that these two files into the diff editor. So I want to see a visual representation of the permission set on both the branches, main as well as the feature, and feature one branch and main branch. And I want to see in a diff editor what really got changed. Okay, let's do that. So the command is very simple. This is the one. This is published in the uh, here in this GitHub page. I will give you the link into the video. What I'm going to use this script. This is a Python script, and here let me put that instead of that. I'll put help. It'll give you. So basically, for a given file from two branches, right? Get the get content for a file from two branches. You give a branch one, branch two. In our case, it's a main. The other branch two is, in our case, it's going to be feature one, feature hyphen one. The file path is the Dreamhouse permission set, and metadata type in our case is a permission set. It should not be a gap, but I'll fix the documentation. So permission set. I given this here branch one, branch two, then file path is I given the Dreamhouse permission set. Metadata type is permission set. Note there is no gap, no space between permission and set. So when I run this one, uh, let's take away the help flag. So it should run right away. What it does is it's going to, let me move this a little bit away. So it has given me a file which shows that this Dreamhouse, what is in the main has got, you saw that All the sections of the permission set are listed here. So I can go here, I can tab setting, I can see class accesses. This is the one in true in case of main branch, but it is false in case of a feature one, feature hyphen one branch. So this is a visual representation, and field permissions are here, and so you can get a clean visual representation of um, this complete permission set. So let's do that. It is the command line is waiting for a action to be done. It says that paste the content into the diff app. What I'm going to do is this is the diff app. You can paste it. It has given a clipboard content which you can put it on the left side. Let's go here back and enter. Once you enter, it's continuing it. It's checking into the feature hyphen one branch, and it's it has done transformation, and I'm going to show that. Meanwhile, it is saying that paste the content right now into the right side box in the diff editor. So I'll put it here. Okay, when I can compare it, I see this difference. It neatly shows that there is a difference in this particular class access. Page result is true here, and while it is false. So this side is the feature hyphen one branch. This one is main. Let's see how the visual representation of the second branch, in this case feature hyphen one. So let's go here. The class access got changed. So you can see that it's beautifully done. It's a false. Class access is false. In case of the other main branch, class access is true. True. So this is a clean way of showing how a permission set, comparing permission set. You can even compare these two tabs, the one on the main branch, other one on the feature one branch, side by side. You can see a visual comparison. Also, um, you can just I showed you can automatically it puts you into the clipboards step by step. First it'll ask you to put it here, second on the right side, and you can click the button compare and see. So this way you know what's going on between branches. Suppose somebody is working on a particular branch, say feature one branch, and you want to see what permission set changes they are bringing in. In my case, I'm bringing in page result in a class access to false. Um, so this code is available, and I'm going to give the link for this one, those particular utilities, and this is under SF Gate utils. And although another tool is also available, I will cover it in another video. This will actually will produce your delta packages for between two commits. And see you in another video. Again, the summary is um, with the given two branches, a particular profile or a permission set, or in fact any other file, um, you can see the diff between two files. And also in case of permission set and profiles, it gives you a visual representation. In a section wise, you can compare them. Uh, Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you in another video.